I want to show you the wrong way to run power to a distribution panel. A distribution panel is found in exterior buildings, garages, shops like this one. And what you'll see is you need to find out where the power is coming in. And as you can see here, you've got conduit, the big conduit piece, but it ends, and you can see the wiring coming in, and that is very, very incorrect. Somebody could hit that, they could get electrocuted, and that's basically 220, the big white looking wire on the right, and you have some more electrical cable coming out, and you can see that the sheeting, that's what they call flexible sheeting there. I mean, it's not even connected. So you got two exposed heavy gauge wiring that's carrying all the current up to this distribution panel. And that is a red flag, danger, no. You should never see any exposed wiring within reach. It's certainly not going up here to this distribution panel. That conduit setup is not even right. That whole, all those should be shielded. But I just wanted to make a quick video that you should never ever have any exposed wire that you can reach and touch with your hand, especially this 220 wire that's showing out. Another thing I want to show you, you've got an exposed knockout right here. It looks like there was some wiring in there at one time. Several issues with this panel. This panel is old, rusty. We see here we're missing actually a screw, and they've actually got the wrong kind of screw over here. And what it is, and you can actually see the rust on these screws. These screws are not the correct screws. They go into a dead front cover, is what we call this on your breaker panel. That front cover is called the dead front cover, and you have specific dead front cover screws instead of these like sheet metal screws like they've got in here. And the main difference is the sheet metal screw is going to be pointed at the end. So if you're screwing down this fastener and it happens to hit a wire, well, unlike the proper fastener, the proper screw, at the end, it's flat. So if it hits a piece of wire, it's just going to push the wire, not penetrate the insulation. Sheet metal screws, regular screws, when they hit a wire and you're sitting there turning it, it can actually corkscrew into the wiring and short, and that's either going to knock you for a loop or even kill you. But just want to show you that this panel is very, very dangerous. It's just got all kind of problems, and you shouldn't really have stuff laying like this on top. He's got an air hose, which technically I guess there's nothing wrong with that, but just wanted to give you a quick overview about a distribution panel and what it should not look like.